Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. In today's video, I'm going to share how you can fix if you don't see the add friend option on Facebook. So without wasting a minute more, let's get started with the video. So this must have happened to you that you want to add someone as a friend on Facebook, but you are not seeing the option, and this could happen for several reasons. So I'm going to talk about all of them one by one. So firstly, if I search for a famous personality like Kylie Jenner, and if I go to their profile, you can see that there is no option to add her as a friend. You can just follow her because she is a public figure. So basically, Facebook has made it a rule that if you are a public figure, you can set your settings so that people can't add you as a friend. They can just follow you. So in that case, there is no way to add a public figure as a friend, and you can just follow them. Another reason why you might not see the add friend option if they are not a public figure is due to privacy reasons. For instance, if the person has blocked you, then also you will not get the option to add them as a friend. As you know, their profile will not be visible, but in case you send them a friend request and they said no, they rejected your request, or basically they chose the option on Facebook to not let you send friend request again, that means they ignored any friend request from you in future, and that can be the reason you are not getting the add friend option on their profile. Now the next thing is, if you go to privacy settings, so you have to tap this menu icon and then scroll down to settings and privacy. Now from here you have to go to settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and you have to go to how people can find and contact you. So here you will see the option who can send you friend request. Alright, so if you will select this option, you will get two options, that you can set it as everyone or you can set it as friends of friends. So here, if that person whom you want to add as a friend has set friends of friends and you both don't have any friends in common, then also you will not get the option to send them a friend request. So in most of the cases, you don't see the add friend option due to the person's privacy settings unless he or she is a public figure. In that case, you can only send them a message if their settings allow and tell them about yourself, that why you want to add them as a friend, and you can request them to send you a request instead. So that's all you can do, or you can add one of their friends and then you will automatically see the add friend option. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please subscribe to my channel for more informational and useful videos. If you have any doubts or suggestions for my next video, you can tell me in the comment section below. You can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, for more related content. And I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.